Hi guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to use the Loki Proxy on your iOS device via the HAPP app. So HAPP is a good alternative for shadow rockets, which is paid on iOS devices, or Potato, because some people are saying Potato DNS is leaking and all those things. So to download the HAPP app, you just need to search the name HAPP, and this is what it looks like. You just set it up, download it. I need to update mine. I'll do that later. So this is what the app looks like. So obviously you will not be seeing this server list on yours, like all these proxies here, because your own is going to be fresh. But this one are proxies I had used earlier for myself. So once you've downloaded it, you don't need to create an account. It's free. You don't need to pay. Blah blah blah. Let's go generate proxy on LokiProxy.com. So this is Loki Proxy. They provide IPs. I will put the link in the description in case you are new and you need to create an account on there. So once you set up your account, this is what their dashboard look like. So in this video, I'll be working on the short-term residential proxy, not the GB. In another video, I'll talk about the GB, but this one is basically for the IP plan. So you come to this part, just click on it like that to navigate to the short-term residential IPs. So you need an IP balance, obviously, because yours is going to be 0. Mine is 67 IPS now. So in case you need this balance, you can message me on WhatsApp. I sell CD keys at discounted prices. I'll also teach you how to set it up. So in case you have any issues connecting and this video is not still helping you and guiding you, or you have more questions, you can always put them in the comment section. I will be glad to reply and assist you. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will really go a long way for me. So I will sell you the CD key at discounted prices. Once I give you the key, you put it in here and paste it here and redeem. So once you redeem it, you would see an IP balance here. So to generate proxy out of this account, you just scroll down a little bit, and beside this API whitelist, this thing, you'll see this username, and just click on it. It will shift a little bit, and once you click on it like that, scroll down, then you see this proxy setup section. Just leave everything on default, and in this global mix, click on the global mix, and then you search the country you are connecting to. So for me, I'm doing USA, United States of America. I click on it like that, and the state, click on the state. I'm doing New Jersey. Click on it like that. You can leave the city on random, leave everything also on random, the rest things on random. I leave them on random myself, and just scroll down a little bit also. Scroll down a little bit, and you would see all these IP like this. So you can just like you would use you need to just be careful using this app on the on mobile, because it is not that compact on mobile. If only, let's say maybe we can request more. We've already requested desktop site, so it's not really that compact on mobile. So you need to be careful. Like you need to scroll gently, and once you get here, just scroll to the side like this. Scroll to the side like this to see the extract button. So yeah, they have different latency, or should I say ISP. This one is Verizon, as you can see, Verizon. This one's a Verizon. This one is T-Mobile. This one is Verizon. They are not properly written, but you just need to be careful. Like you can see, this is COMCAST. This is Comcast cable. This is Comcast also. So they have different ISPs. So if you want to choose anyone you want, and also check the states. Just scroll to the side to see the state. Scroll to the side like this to see the state. This one is Newark. This one is really Newark. This one is in Newark also. This one is in Patterson. So just scroll like that. I'm taking my time to show you, so you will not be confused when you get here and you are like, where will I extract? Where will I extract? Scroll to the side like this. And if you have an ISP you want to target in mind, you can always scroll down. Scroll down. Like the website will allow you to scroll, but you need to be careful. Like you need to know what you are doing. That's what I'm showing you now. So to extract, just click on this extract button. See to show you extract successful. Then you go back up like this, scroll down. Then you see my IP balance have reduced to -1. That is, it was 67 and now 66. So to see the IP we just extracted, just click on this 24-hour list like this near the buy key. Then you scroll up. Like I said earlier, this website is kind of clumsy. It is not compact, and the reason is because we are on the mobile device. On the PC, in a video I had posted on my channel earlier, you should see that all these things are well placed. They are well placed. So yeah, you need to take your time and be careful. So this is where we are going to copy it, but you need to just zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in a little and show you this copy button. This is the copy button. So just click on the copy like this. Click on it. As you can see, just click on that copy button. It will copy. But you need to calm down when you are doing that. You can also do it like this and copy if that will work for you. But let's see if you can request. Let's see if you can request a stop site. Maybe that will help us. We just need to make it work. We really need to make it work. That's the point of this video. Let's say if we request the stop site, maybe that would make it look like it's bigger or something. Because most people do not have laptop. So let's see if we tilt the screen, maybe that will give us a better view. Okay. I think this is better, right? So let's see if we can copy now. Yeah, you see, we just copied and it said copy successful. So you can do this method also. You can bend your screen like this. See now, I was able to copy when I bent my screen. Even if I do like this, I think I was unable to copy earlier. So when you bend your screen like this now, you see, I was able to copy. So this website is not like compact on mobile devices, but we still need to make it work. So now that we've copied, let's put this in our notepad. Let's just paste it in our notepad here. We need to make it work. That's the point of all these things. So now we split it. See, this column is what they use to differentiate all this information. I made a video earlier about this also. So just delete all this column, delete them like this, delete them like this. Then let me just name them for you so you can know what it means. This one is called, some people call it server, some people call it host, and some people call it IP, even some people call it domain. They all mean the same thing. Do you get? Some people call it domain also. So this is what that means. This one means port. And this one is the username. This one is called username. Sorry, I was typing fast because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long. But it's better it's long and straight for everybody to understand. Well, this one is called password. So yeah, this information is what we are going to put inside our HAPP app. So this is HAPP now. The one we had downloaded earlier. I told you to download it. I hope you've done that. So just click on this top right corner. You see a plus icon there. Click on it like this and click on manual input. So in the protocol, which is the first section, click on it and change it to socks. So here, give it a name. You can give this one Loki Proxy New Jersey. Just give it any name you like. This is any name you like. The name is any name you like. But every other information below is what we are going to get from Loki Proxy. We are going to put there. So understand that first. Don't make mistakes. So you'll be saying it's not connecting. The name, protocol name, it is any name you like. So in the server, as I mentioned earlier, you can call it, some people call this server, some call it host, some call it anything, domain, IP. So this is the server, put it here, copy it. And this is the port, copy it also, put it here. The username, this is it, copy it, and you put it here. And this is the password, you copy it also, and you put it here. So once you've done that, the top left corner also, click on done. So yeah, I have a lot of IPs here, but for you, if you're using it for the first time, you'd only see the one you just put in. Like that will be the only one you would see. So for me, or for any other person that have a lot of IPs like this, you would see all this. You see the way I'm selecting this thing is moving. Something is moving beside them. So that means the one we just created now, this Loki Proxy is one we are going to select. So I selected it like this, and you click on the power button or whatever you can call this thing. So it said it's connected. So how do we confirm that? Let's go to our browser and check UR.net. You can also check ip8.com. They are all lookup tools, ip8.com. So you see, it is very fast, very, very fast. And it has connected already. See, Verizon FiOS is the ISP and the DNS is in the US. Everything is like pretty straightforward. And once you do it once and you get it right, you wouldn't have any issue. So in case you need let me off this thing because my battery is running down, as you can see, and it's making my phone hang. Let me just turn it on so I can finish this video for you guys. So in case you need CD keys to get balance like this, DM me. I'll put my number on the screen. And what else? In case you want to check the Proxies you've used in the last 24 hours, just click on this 24 hours list. And as I mentioned earlier, the website is not that compact on phones, so you need to make it work for yourself. So you can bend your phone like this, tilt it like this, and you will see here these two proxies is active. The one we just selected now and the one I was using before now, they are both active. So this is how you see which one is active. Anytime you see this status is not active, that means the proxy is dead. You need to generate another one. Also, some mistakes some people make is that when they are copying this information, they did not used to remove the colon. Please make sure you remove the colon. This colon that we demarcated, this thing, this is what the colon is called. This sign is the colon. This sign is always inside the proxy when you generate them. Please always remove them, and please always make sure when you are copying the proxy and you're putting it inside here, you copy all the information, because once you make any mistake here, you're going to be having connection issue. So that's that on this. In case you have questions, put it in the comment section. In case you have anything, just message me on my WhatsApp. I'll put the number in the description of this video. And make sure to like, comment, share this video so it can help someone also. And I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.